Welcome to our channels English with Hassane 1 and English with Hassane 2.
Waste. Wastes. So there is an S missing in the second word. Okay, waste, it should be written W-A-S-T-E-S. So there is a missing S. Wastes. The third word, wasted. 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 The last word, wasting. 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 Now let's pronounce all the words together. Waste, wastes, wasted, wasting. The next group is wait. 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 Repeat after me. Wait. The second word, waits. 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 The third word, waited. Waited. So here there is a mistake. There should be EI and not IA. I. So here the third word, the phonetic transcription, it should be WEITID. I just want to mention that I know that there is a printing mistake in this slide. No, it's okay. We continue. Waiting, waiting, waiting. So let's repeat them from the beginning. Wait, waits, waited, waiting. The next group, await, await, await. Repeat after me. Await. The next word, awaits, awaits, awaits. The third word, awaited. So we have the same problem. So it should be W E I and not AI. So I just want to mention this for you to know that I know that there is a printing mistake in this slide. The last word, awaiting, awaiting, awaiting. So let's repeat all the words. Await. Repeat after me. Await, awaits, awaited, awaiting. Let's go to the next group. Rain, rain, rain. Repeat after me. Rain. The second word, rains, rains, rains. The third word, rained, rained, rained. The last word, raining, raining, raining. Let's repeat all the words. Rain, rains, rained, raining. Let's go to the next group.
That's the end of this video. To support us, subscribe, like, comment and share. See you very soon, God willing.